Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. Edo Poll Tribunal, Igodalu, PDP, Okpebolo, APC, INEC to call 290 witnesses. The Election Petition Tribunal sitting in Benin City has disclosed that Asue Ighodalo, the People's Democratic Party, PDP, the All Progressive Congress, APC, the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, and Governor Monday Okpebolo will be calling 290 witnesses during the hearing of their petition. Daily Post reports that the tribunal is adjudicating on the declaration of Monday Okpebolo, the candidate of APC winner of the last September 21, 2024 governorship election in Edo State by Asue Ighodalo, the PDP candidate. Asue Ighodalo and his party, PDP, are challenging the declaration of Monday Okpebolo and his party winner of the election by the Independent National Electoral Commission. It also reports that the chairman of the three-man tribunal, Justice Wilfred Ikpochi, disclosed this at the weekend during the presentation of the pre-hearing reports and scheduling to parties in the petition. Ikpochi did not, however, give the breakdown of the number of witnesses that each of the petitioners and respondents will call during the trial. He said the 290 witnesses were proposed by the parties in the harmonized proposal for the pre-hearing conference. He said the parties will only call witnesses whose statements on oath have been front-loaded and subpoenaed witnesses where necessary. The court added that the petitioners shall call their witnesses within 21 days or less, while each of the respondents shall be allowed 10 days or less to call their witnesses. The parties may call expert witnesses as indicated in their pre-hearing answers. All pleading documents shall be rendered and admitted by the tribunal, while objections thereto shall be filed separately during final addresses. Objection to such document during trial shall be noted and rulings reserved appropriately, he said. He also added that all frivolous and unnecessary applications for adjournment shall not be granted by the tribunal as the election petitions are time-bound. According to him, whenever it becomes very expedient to fast-track the proceedings, the tribunal shall breach the time for doing anything in accordance with the rules as prescribed by the Electoral Act 2022. Justice Kochi further added that on no account should any written address filed by counsel be more than 40 pages. He said the address should be of double spacing format with 14 font size. He however advised all counsels to imbibe the spirit of good brief writing in compliance with the Electoral Act. Orders presented in the reports by the tribunal are that there shall be no consolidation of the petition with any other petition, as there was no application in respect thereof, and there shall be no amendments of amendments, as none is required. There shall be no further particulars or admission, save the application by the petitioners for interrogatories directly to the INEC. Monday Okpebolo has first and second responded requesting for particulars articulated in the copies of the proposed interrogatories that have been filed along with the application in motion number EPT/ED/GOV/02/M10/2024 filed on December 6, 2024 that has been granted. The tribunal chairman, who adjourned to January 13, 2025 for hearing, said the court shall be sitting from day to day from 10 a.m. except on Sundays and other public holidays gazetted by law. He, however, stated that the sitting period is subject to reviews as the exigencies of the workload permits. 290 witnesses in all. Because of quest for power, well, it is their right. All parties are bound to, defend and accuse and all sort of, submissions before the tribunal. And then the final say is left with the tribunal. Nigerians are keeping their fingers crossed, especially Edo State citizens. One, the people that are in support of the People's Democratic Party, they are waiting to see that probably their mandate can return to them. And those who are in APC support are also waiting to see whether the case will be an effort in futility, that the tribunal will just strike it out and they will not bother. And we are also going to see where INEC is standing. He is the umpire now who has declared the winner, and it is his own judgment that is being challenged, that what he has done is not correct. So in this regard, it's like 2 versus 1, a person, as it were. INEC too will want to see the day in such a way that what he has done is not discredited, and which is also germane. And Nigerians are waiting, especially flowing fully well, that they've lost some level of confidence in INEC. This time around, they want to see whether their suspicions are true or not. Nigerians have already written an INEC off, well, in some quarters, because those who win will not write INEC off, but others may decide to do so. All things being equal, INEC need to really do something new. They really need to work in order to gain the confidence of Nigerians back as they go to this tribunal. Of course, they should bring out their best and to be able to prove beyond reasonable doubt, so that the doubting Thomases that are in, let's say, the PDP or the petitioners part, they will be able to understand that, oh, this is the real situation. You are not robbed of your mandate. This is the true situation of the election, and the people of Edo State have spoken. Also knowing fully well, these people know that their last hope is the judiciary, and so they are there to get the best. I also want to submit to the judges too that they should not succumb to any pressure, either by money or government force or whatever inducements, whichever form, or even threat to their lives, to push them to, not to do justice, to avert justice. So they must make sure that as their conscience will bear, they do the right thing. Because we want Nigeria to be on the right pedestal. We want peace, we want unity, we want justice, we want fairness, we want egalitarianism, we want equity in this country. And all this can become ours if everyone's hand is on deck. For example, now the judiciary is in the eye of the storm. They can decide to give us the right judgment, and then Nigerians will be happy. We are about to have those who will lose, and we are going to have those who will win. The disgruntled will always be, but if it is justice and fairness, of course, people will be at the side of the law. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe.